What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I get each and every wig to lay flat as possible. What I will be using is my wax stick from my collection. It will be dropping on Black Friday, so I will post in the stories and in the description box when it drops, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So right here, I'm just putting the wax stick on the front and I'm using my Andis hot comb, and I'm just going to hot comb the front back. I tend to start with the front first just so that I can make sure that that part is flat, because I want the front to be kind of pushed back just a little bit before I start working on the sides. Now, how I achieve the ultimate flatness for each and every wig that I create is you want to move in sections. You don't want to just work from where your part is at and then flat down like that. You can, but it won't be as flat as you need it to be. So just work your way in sections, part it. It don't have to be like real small parts, but just like medium-sized parts, and put the wax stick on each part before you hot comb it down. That way you can make sure that each and every side that you create is as flat as possible, so that when you put your wig on, it's gonna lay down flat. Right, so I did just get done with one side. Y'all see how flat that is compared to the other side? It's flat and seamless as possible. This wax stick, like I stated, will be available and dropping on Black Friday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the launch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on the next side. I'm just gonna repeat the same steps over again, so I don't have to really repeat myself, but just watch and see how this pretty much comes out. And if you have not already and you've made it this far in the video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss when I post. Alright, beauties, this is the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Until next time.